To calculate density using points or lines, you can use kernel density. In this video, I will show you how to find it and use it in ArcGIS Pro. First, we need to click on the Tools menu and search for kernel density. Next, click on the tool to open its settings window. Next step, select the input point or line layer. In this case, I will use point data representing the Ukraine conflict since 2022. I will leave the population field as none for now. And next, I will give the output a descriptive name. For the output cell size, which is the spatial resolution, I will use 1 kilometer. The search radius will define how far around each point the tool will do the density calculation. In other words, it basically controls the influence area of each event or the variation based on the area. Before running the tool, it's also important to check the environment settings. I will set the output coordinate system to make sure the results are correct. This is critical. And I will define the processing extent to limit the analysis to a specific geographic area, in this case, the country geographic boundary. Under the raster analysis, I can also set the cell size and the mask, which defines, again, the area where the analysis will be applied. For raster analysis, kernel is a raster. So I will use, again, the country boundary layer as the mask. Once the parameters and environments are all set, I can click Run. When the tool finishes, I will see a new raster layer showing areas of higher and lower density. In this case, warmer colors represent hotspots or the areas where the conflict events are more concentrated. You can change the symbology to make sure it is clear. This output will help us visualize spatial patterns and identify where activity is clustered or dispersed across the region.